practice donut. This one can be the trickiest because our instincts are to draw the top, but we have to remember that we want to draw the front face. So I'm going to select a new part file. I'm going to start a 2D sketch, grab the XY plane, and I'm going to use the rectangle tool to draw the front face of my donut. The front face is 3 by 1. I'm going to finish my sketch, and now I want to extrude it by 3 inches. Again, make sure you extrude in direction 2 and then hit OK. Once I go back to my home button, I can see my entire donut. This donut should have a square hole that is 1 inch by 1 inch, and it goes through the entire donut. So I need to start another sketch because I want to draw my hole, and I'm going to click on the top face because that's where the hole should be. The hole is square in shape, so I'm going to grab my rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw my rectangle anywhere in this shape, and I'm going to make sure that it's 1 by 1. Then I hit OK. Now it tells me that my hole should be in the center of my donut, so I need to make sure that I dimension it. So I'm going to use my dimension tool, and I'm going to click on this side of my square with this side of my donut, and I'm going to drag my cursor off of the shape so that I can see my dimension lines, and I need to change that dimension to 1. That's going to push my square down. I'm going to click on this side of my square with this side of my donut. Oops. There we go. I'm going to drag my dimension line off of this shape again and change this dimension to 1. Now that moves my square hole to the center of my donut. I'm done dimensioning it, so I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. Now it tells me that I need to cut out the square using the Extrude/Cut button. So I go over to the Extrude button, and this one right here, the second one down, this is the Cut button. That's the one you want to use. And you're going to extrude in direction 2. It only needs to go down 1 inch, so I'm going to change that to 1. You'll notice that my rectangle or my hole hasn't been cut out yet. That's because my square is not selected. Once I select it, then you'll see the hole form, and I can go ahead and hit OK. I can move my view cube around so that I can see my donut does indeed have a 1 inch by 1 inch hole cut out of the center. Now that I've finished it, I'm going to go over to my file, Save As, make sure I'm saving it to my Inventor folder, and save it as a practice donut.